Okay, so apparently this AI side hustle is making $100 a day with 3D models. You don't need experience. Honestly, I feel like it's the new Gemini. You feel me? And Gemini basically allows you to like communicate with Blender. I've been playing around with it as of late, but in regards to like what I feel like is the newest news of AI, I just want to say it before the video start. I know a lot of people think that I'm taking content. No, I'm providing my insight on content. And this going to be the last time of me explaining because I shouldn't have to explain to people who's in the community as to why I'm reacting to other news and giving my opinion, right? Unless I'm just a minority and you don't see my representation a lot. In that event, please suck a dick.
The next 10 minutes of your time, I'm going to show you guys how you can get small payouts like these consistently by using ChatGPT to essentially just generate images and 3D models, then uploading those 3D models and having multiple downloads, and basically use AI tools to get people to pay you every single month like this user here. In today's online tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money selling simple models like these. And of course, you don't even have to actually create these models. I'm going to show you guys how you can set up an easy passive income source, how you can actually make these models within the next 5 minutes, and everything you need to do to get started. So if you don't know, Cults is basically a website that allows you to sell 3D products. And these 3D models slash 3D products aren't the traditional kind, because these ones have a really low barrier to entry, because you can see that all of these 3D models aren't really hard to make. Some of them are pretty hard if they're like, for example, things that are like shelves and stuff
You know which one
like
looks
that.
pretty
But
dope?
the standard
This one right here. It looked like something out of a Simpsons show.
ones, like for example this, like this little object right here, or for example this statue of a classic Luigi, those ones are a lot easier to make. So that's why this is going to essentially show you guys how you can do this easily yourself. So this is going to be something that is really simple to do, even for beginners. Now, with this website, you can't make a ridiculous amount of money, but it is a decent side hustle for those of you who want to partake in this. So, for example, you can see that, like, if you're selling something like this Luigi right here, it's only, 9 euros or whatever. And of course, the website is going to take its cut. So that is going to be something that is, of course, going to, make you understand that like the majority of things on this website aren't like, 100 $200. They're mainly like $2 or so. So it's not like a crazy amount. I'm not even sure why the kind of, currency change, but that's beside the point. The point is that you can actually start this as a beginner and start making money. So basically how you make money is, of course, you basically, of course, upload your 3D models, and I'm going to show you guys how you can instantly generate 3D models that are ready for this website and that comply with all the restrictions.
So for those who are like into animation styles or just want to learn, because I know he's not going to give you like a tutorial on how to make a 3D model, take the mesh and recreate it to your own like sculpture or styling. Um, in that case, then you might want to check out Gemini and other people who are using it for that use case. You know what I mean? And this is just for people who want to take their 3D modeling sculpture idea with AI to another level. They're not trying to just make it a side hustle. They're trying to make it like, something that they're passionate about, something that they could scale up to. Check out Gemini then. Check out how you feel with speech to I guess speech to text, you know what I mean? Because that's what it's playing around with. But if you also want to stay with this way, I would genuinely use a model that is better than GPT. Again, I would recommend Gemini. Again, their image generation is pretty dope. I would recommend Stable Diffusion. And I mean, Dolly is on GPT, so yeah, you can use Dolly. But GPT would be I would shop around before I just immediately go into GPT. The image generation field is like vastly greater than it was last year, so I wouldn't just put all my ducks on GPT. You know what I mean? Especially if we're talking about side hustles and trying to make money, you kind of want to choose one that helps you stand out, you know? So that's just my piece on how you should approach it. But other than that,
So you can see right here that it says publish your 3D models and share them for free or get paid. If you choose the paid option, you'll receive 80% of the net selling price. And if you publish your free 3D models, simply select the Creative Commons license. So, of course, most beginners might be wondering, okay, how much am I really going to be making here? You can see that it gives you a breakdown right here. It's 80%. So Cult takes 15%, and then the bank takes 5%. So that's how it works. There's no like subscription fee to sign up for. There's nothing that you need to do in order to start making money. As soon as you make your account, you can simply add a 3D model, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can do this. So right here, of course, you can see I can add my 3D model, but of course,
This is what I want to say too. And I think this is going for like all the outcomes and possibilities of making money. There's like a misconception right now that you gotta be this movie-like programmer, remember all these codes, and no the fuck you don't, bro. No the fuck you don't. Like, and I'm really tired of getting these messages like you're not working hard. Nigga, you're working just as hard as the person studying code. He just so happens to be stupid and using the outdated version to level up his game. You feel me? Use AI to your advantage. If you want to learn programming, use fucking AI, my nigga. Start with the basics. The basics meaning like the regular basics you would use when it comes to like how can I say the regular basics you would use when it comes to life without programming with AI. You know what I mean? Just do it with AI and make sure you understand it to the level of people who are using it without AI. You get what I mean? Because now you just 10x your productivity. Like I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, I use Leak Code and I use Free Code Camp, but I just brush up on my skills so I could be like a 10x programmer, bro. I can make you a website in 3 seconds, bro. Easily, bro. And the only reason why it don't take 2 seconds is because I might use CSS to make them style me a page, and that's just me being simple. That's just a web application. Now, if you can find a way, which is what I'm trying to do, to streamline AI to help you build your apps in 4 or 5 seconds, bro. Like, tell everyone suck a dick. You don't need to learn the code at that point. You know how to solve a problem. That's what programmers are for, solving a problem. Now, if the problem needs more like nuanced stuff, you might want to contact a specialist. But then at that point, you're pair programming. You feel me? Like, don't fall into this trend of trying to know it all. Know enough to get the problem solved. And then the problem that needs more solving, you get an expertise behind it. That way you're pair programming. So you can program, not like be a cog in the wheel. What I want all my people on this channel to learn is there's a such thing as a polyglot programming, person of all languages, fluent in all languages. And that just means you want to work. That doesn't mean I'm good at Python today and I want to be good at JavaScript tomorrow. No, that means you just want to work. You just want to solve a problem. I just wanted to give that spew because this is a great side hustle for people who know coding, don't know coding, and don't want to know coding. This is that era now. For people who are programming, step your fucking game up. We coming for you.
we need to first get a 3D model. Now, firstly, I'm going to walk you guys through the ideation of what you want to do, because most people are just going to go ahead and create a bunch of different, useless 3D models that nobody wants. But what I would do is I would create a 3D model that most people would want. Now, let's look, of course, what I can create a 3D model of, because I think this is going to be something that most people would want anyways. And that's going to be a 3D model of the very famous Mu Deng. And I'm going to show you guys how I can make this model and then start selling it on this website. Now, if you don't know who Mu Deng is basically a viral hippo, okay? She's even got like a cryptocurrency. It's pretty insane, okay? So the point I'm trying to make to you guys is, you might be thinking, okay, why on earth are you talking about Mu Deng? This is a video about how to sell 3D models. Just let me get to it. Full Sail University's
And that's ultimately the goal of a lot of developers. I want you to do what Mudeng did. Have a community back you so hard in prime time that they are willing to invest in your currency.
So
Because
this is
that's the new
something
digital
that is
currency
really
now.
popular, and it's something that is really popular in terms of pop culture right now. It's trending right now, and with that, what we can do is we can basically get an image of Mu Deng. So let's say, for example, we can get an image of Mu Deng PNG. Hopefully, we can get that PNG transparent. And basically, the reason we want this is because we want to convert an image of Mu Deng, and then basically we want to use that image to create a 3D model. You can see some people have already started to make some of these. So of course, they're probably going to be a little bit further ahead. But what I can do is I can just basically make an image that's on like ChatGPT and just ask for a transparent image. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Since I can't find one on Google, I'm gonna just try and say, let me see if I can just make one really quickly. So this image doesn't really look like Mudeng that much, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this now and I'm gonna just basically save this image. So I'm gonna save this one and then I'm gonna show you guys how I can turn this into a 3D model that's ready to start selling on the website. So I'm gonna save this. Then what you can do is you can come over to this website. Now, this website is a website that can generate 3D models instantly. It allows you to generate a bunch of different 3D models and it allows you to export them in the correct file.
That's. I think you guys might want to write that down.
Now, with this, you can of course change the settings. You can change the negative prompts, here, all that crazy stuff. But what you want to do is you just basically want to add your image right here. So with my image, what I'm going to add is I can either add my image or I can either describe it. When you're describing it, it's going to come up with a bunch of different stuff that is pretty similar, but you can basically create one or you can simply use an image that is going to create the 3D model. That's why I created an image in the first place. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my image. So now I've got my image of Mudeng there. I'm going to go ahead and click create.
So my question is there any platform right now that's doing like, I guess, speech or text to movement? Like, you know what I mean? Like, if I say your breakdance, like, it's 2065, is there like gonna be like a file that's doing all of that? You know what I mean? Like, that would be cool because that would make just the process of keyframing and key binding and everything for game developers like so much better. You know what I mean? Like, imagine that process just streamlined and automated.
And then all I have to do now is wait around 2 to 3 seconds, not 2 to 3 seconds. So I think this takes around 60 seconds, so 1 minute to 2 minute. What happens now is that the AI system and this website, I can't believe I didn't even say, is called Tripo 3D AI. This is basically where you can generate models, and it's actually really good because they managed to make a website where they've generated their version 2. So version 2 is literally just released. So these 3D models are really, really good. And if you go onto the pricing for this, you do get free credits. So even if you start and you're thinking, okay, I don't have enough money, you get free credits, guys. So you can actually use this website to get free credits, and all you have to do is just make an account. Okay, so you get 24 models every single month. You can pay for an extended membership, but it's completely up to you. It's really not that expensive, but you get a lot of free models. So now you can see there my model has finished generating. Basically, if I want, I can click. If I don't like this and there's some glitches when generating this free model, I can basically click free retry. And what that's going to do is that's just going to retry the model again because sometimes issues may occur. The legs might be a bit weird, the hands might be a bit weird, something might be a bit weird. And basically, the model is essentially now done. So once my model has been generated, I just simply click full screen here, and you can see that I can see the model in a lot more detail, and this is really nice. Now, what I need to do here is I need to now export this model and make sure that this works. So the format that I want, okay, is I want the STL file, because the STL file is going to be the file that allows you to print this model. Now, I don't think this looks like Mudeng that much. Of course, you could have done a better job than I could have. I'm just, doing this for the video. But essentially, what we want to do now is we want to download this in the
Hold on,
STL.
I'm curious because I gotta play Trippio. Like, I can't Trippy. Oh, I gotta 3D rendering, 3D model, right? Trippio. Like, my fault, y'all. I just gotta try it out. Well, fuck niggas that's gonna say in the background, I'm just watching this video, like, eat a dick again. And this for all the people that's gonna say it. Over here on this channel, y'all gonna like it. I'm gonna be authentically myself, right? Without any barriers to entry. I mean, you can't be me. You could try to. We signing in now. Using my Gmail. Enter invite code. No, I invited myself to the party, baby. Come on, man. Enter prompt now. Oh, alright, low key. Hmm. Let's do a Frosty the Snowman. Frosty the Snowman. on that ganja, baby, or cigar. Eyes red, but he is so icy with steam flowing. Let's see how it do. Let's see how it do. We're on the ganja with steam flowing. Alright, it's generating. You feel me? We're gonna go back to the video while it's generating, you know what I'm saying? Fuck, where's the video? I lose it? Always losing these goddamn videos. What the fuck, man? Alright, but we're gonna come back to that.
Format, because that's the format that we need for Cult's 3D models, because that's how people are going to print this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm now going to click download. This will take 5 credits, so just make sure you watch your credit balance up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just download this. So it now converts the mesh. It gives me a couple seconds, and I just click download, and it'll prompt up with a box, and I'm just going to download this. Now I'm also just going to have an OBJ just in case, because OBJ file, sometimes people want that, so I'm going to download the OBJ just as well. But with the OBJ file, I'm going to go ahead and save that in a different folder. So make sure that you download that as well. So I'm going to click download as well. You don't really need this, but just in case, for any purposes, you might just need this. And basically with this, what this allows you to do is this is essentially a version that is quite cool, because this allows you to retain the textures. So now that I've got my model here, everything looks pretty good. It looks pretty high quality. I'm going to go back over to Colt's 3D website, and I'm basically going to show you guys how you can actually sell this model. Okay. And of course you can, you didn't need to use an image, but the reason I used an image is so that you have more controllability of what,
That's the whole point. We're gonna make it and sell it.
models you get. So here you can say it shows you that, you need STL CAD 3MF. Of course, you can have basically the more file formats you have, the better it is, because when people are wanting it, they basically want to be able to use it for many different use cases. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload these. And of course, here is where we have a lot of stuff. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and just drop the files in here. So
Let's see if we win. Can see. Uh, we're gonna try to get up to speed with where he at, baby. Where he at? Where he at? Let's see what we gonna get. Hey, Frosty the Snowman on that. Hey, eyes red, cause you know he on that. Hey, Frosty, cause you know he on that. And my boy Frosty is looking. Which version of Frosty look like he on that? I like that one, that third one right here, cause the back. You feel me? He like, ooh, it's coming out the back. Oh, that might be the best one. Oh, hold on. Frosty eyes and this one look crazy. Hold on. Yeah, Frosty. Frosty looks zooted. Frosty looks zooted. Yeah, we're going with this one. I'm for. I can't resist. Frosty looks zooted. Why we did that to Frosty? Yo, if y'all don't get your own Frosty, yo, low key, custom. Can we get him on a Lego? I can't preview it, gang. Babylon. Let's see, Roblox. You know what? Screw it. We gonna download it, right? I fuck with it. And for the purposes of the video, I'm not trying to make it too long. Untextured, texture. Yeah, I fuck with it. Same on the download. Y'all can't tell me this Frosty don't look fire. I can't tell me Frosty don't look fire. Low key just waiting for it to download. But you see the loading screen, hopefully. No, you don't. It's loading right now, so gonna let it breathe.
So this is where we got the Mudeng STL. So I've named it Mudeng STL so that way people know. So I've uploaded that. Of course, you can see they've got many different, different file sizes. You can also upload the zip. I'd recommend, once again, when you download the OBJ file, it's going to give you a zip. Just upload that zip file because that is easier for
Oh
people
yeah.
to have the OBJ and the texture file as well. So I'm going to upload that. You can see I've got the zip file. So I'm just going to click this zip and then I'm just going to click upload. And then you can see that.
Hold on. Yeah, hold on. We gotta upload this bitch. Hold on. Back home. How you do that? Sign in, sign up. They trying to get me, y'all. They trying to get me, y'all. Come on now. You already know I'm good for that login. Come on, man. Like, you see how much I got to click? You know? I bet. So after create my models, how do I sell it though? Let's go to event. Try go for the web, try go. How do I sell it? Let's go back to the YouTube. You feel me? Frosty the Snowman getting sold. Oh, cold. Cold. That's how you sell it.
I just started using the free ad
It's
block from
cold.
Capital One
It's
Shop.
cold. It's cold. So I gotta go on Tripe. Trippio is the website.
Upload that
3D
image right
man.
there. Then of course what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put okay, I can't even spell Mu Deng 3D model for printing.
Oh,
Um and there we go. And then I'm gonna put my 3D model description. Of course, you could have, a better description here. So of course, 3D printing settings. This is stuff that, if you are someone that is, familiar with 3D printing, this is where you'd of course include more details. It's completely up to you what you want to put in here. This is usually for people that have models that they've already printed or they've already used and they've already verified. So this is something that you can have here. If there's any issues as well with your model, you can always reconvert them or just get someone to fix the models. There are
I just
plenty of
wanna,
online conversion
I low key just wanna make sure that I'm doing it properly prior to like, like
versions. Sometimes, it might say that
finishing
your
the
mesh is a
video.
little
That's
bit
why
this
I
or a
just
little bit
don't
that.
want to
There's
just leave
plenty of
it.
online services that allow you to lower your polygon count if your polygon count is too high. So it's really easy to do that. Just in case, what you can do is you can click retopologize here. And of course, you can see if you click this retopologize button, it will show you the low poly count versus the high poly count button. So it's up to you. So if you want this to be super high quality, click the 3001. Or if you want it to be super low, if the website wants a super low one, you just click super low right there. And that's where you get, 5,000 polygons. So
Uh,
it's completely up to you on what the website selects. Then of course, here
Sir,
we will just put
we
a
about to
zip.
add Frosty to the dashboard, y'all. We about to add Frosty. Frosty, the the ha ha ha. Woo! Frosty, the ha ha ha. My boy zooted on Christmas. You feel me? Yeah, this is straight. This is straight. You know what I'm saying? This is straight 3D settings. We don't need none of that. This is for art, fashion, glasses, shoes, masks. You feel me? Like just what is it? Smoke. That's really. Let me see. It's a moment of truth, yo. Hold on, why the fuck? Hold on. Cause I don't think that it got. That would really suck. Oh, photos and PNG. There we go. There we go. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? Nah, bro. What is going on right now? The fuck is going on, bro? Hold on. Where's my I'm getting like low key. Where's my shit? All right, my shit is a FBX file, so I gotta. Man, I know time FBX to JPEG. No, to SLT. Oh, word. Convert your mesh. Word. And then after this, we gonna end this video right here because this is exactly what the AI grid probably wanted us to do. I don't want to have it play in the background either.
In
Oh yeah, it's five
various, or there's
minutes
another
too.
game. It's just like, popular. So let's just do. I think this is animals, so I'm guessing that this would be nature,
Close
but I
this
don't
because I'm
see
waiting for
nature
this. Oh
here.
yeah, we here.
So the keywords, I'm gonna put Mudeng, and then of course I need
Oh
to
yeah,
fill
we
in this
here.
field. So for the 3D model description, I could
Oh yeah,
literally
we
just
here.
use ChatGPT to write it. So I'm gonna say I've turned the first image into a 3D model for selling on Colts.com. Give me a description of the model. I've got an STL file and a zip file containing the
I dead.
OBJ and
Hold
materials
on, man. Let me
slash
refresh it
text.
because this
Then
shit
I'm
is
gonna say
not removing,
I
bro.
need this to post slash
Like
sell
I
the
do
product. So
not want
there we
that
go.
there.
There we go. It's gonna give us all of the details that we need right now. So it's just gonna, I'm just gonna wait a couple of seconds and
Oh, okay. So he's using Open AI. I just created my drone from the start. You feel me? So if y'all here, y'all here. Oh yeah, Frosty, haha. Feel me? Frosty off that glacier pack. You know what I'm saying? Frosty on the glacier pack. 3D printing, active comments. We gonna put smoke category. We gonna say not safe for children. Creatures. The H word. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're gonna cache this right here. Put it right here. Hit that next button. Right? Did I do it right? Because that shit is low key moving like I didn't. Hit the next button. A photo must be at yo. Alright, cool. I gotta open this shit. Okay, this is the STL file. Yo, bro, what is up with this? Yo, dog. You wanna know what's going on? My file is like my site is so big, so I can't even like. Thank you. I'm trying to like minimize it, and it's doing like weird stuff. All right, cool. STL file. Looks like I gotta drag this motherfucker in. What the f? I don't know why that took so long. STL, bro. Come on. Next. Next. A photo must be added. Photos must be added. Yeah, if this doesn't work, oh, I bet. How much are we charging, y'all? We're gonna charge 65 cents. I'm gonna make it private, public. No way, paying. Yeah, we're gonna make this 65 cents. Nah, it's frosty. We not cheap. We're gonna make it $1. Oh, commercial use. Yes. Oh, they hold me. Edit design. Oh, they hold me. Oh yeah, they hold me. I gotta change this to a JPG, bro. Convert more, bro. Oh, bro. They gave me the Wojak. Yeah, I need this to convert. Nah, I don't want, nah, bro. They hold me. FBX to JPG, bro. Yeah, we're gonna come right back. I'm gonna make sure this bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure. Oh, wait, I'm about. Oh yeah, let's get it. Here we go. Alright, how you download this now? Hey, you feel me? We got it. We got it. Download. Download, bro. What the fuck? Nah, bro. Download. I don't want that into S. I want that into JPG. Thank you. And let me get that into STL. Appreciate you. Yeah, of course that's gonna take a minute, but we got the JPG. We're changing the Wojak. We're changing the Wojak. Thank you, bro, because it seems like an arm and a leg to get this removed. Download. Appreciate. No, bro. Fuck. Yeah, it's open. This no, this the best it's gonna get, y'all. This the best it's gonna get. I don't know what metrics or mechatronomics is going on, but ooh, 2 views. Yeah, nigga, just stop playing with me. Yo, where's my design, bro? What the fuck is this? Oh, Frosty. Oh, they got my nigga. Nah, they did you wrong, Brody. Okay, I was about to say, like, yo, what is this? It's not Frosty, bro. Frosty was looking, you know what I'm saying? My boy Frosty, the Pinocchio man, he got the ganja under his nose. You feel me? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. This is a way that people are making 1K or $100 a day, and yeah. Yeah, I think my camera was bugging the whole time too. Not fixing it because it's a computer hardware issue and take it from tech. Make sure everything is up to date. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure audio is good.